Hey, wake up.
Mm, Not yet. Just 5 more minutes.
You said that 5 minutes ago.
This time is the real 5 minutes.
No, look at the clock.
I don't want to see it.
You're late already.
Late for what? Life?
Late for work. Get up.
My body is awake. My soul is still sleeping.
Your boss doesn't care about your soul.
That's cruel.
Sit up now.
Why are mornings so aggressive?
Because you sleep too much at night.
I was tired.
You're always tired in the morning.
Because mornings exist.
Go wash your face. Breakfast is ready.
What is it?
Eggs, toast, and coffee.
Coffee? Okay, I forgive the morning.
Eat fast. You have 10 minutes.
You sound like a manager.
Someone has to manage you.
Smile softly. Thanks for waking me up.
Just don't be late again.
It's quiet here.
That's why I like this park.
You look like you're thinking deeply.
I am.
About work again?
About leaving.
Leaving where?
Abroad.
That's big.
I know.
When did you decide?
I didn't. Not fully.
Are you scared?
A little.
And excited?
A lot.
You'll miss this place.
I'll miss people more.
Like me?
Especially you.
Then go. Don't stop your life.
Promise you'll visit me.
I will.
Even if it's far?
Even then.
Taxi!
Yes, miss?
Airport, please.
Get in.
How much?
30.
That's expensive.
Fuel is expensive too.
20.
Impossible.
25, final.
Okay.
Thank you.
First time flying?
Yes.
Nervous?
Very.
Don't worry, everyone feels that way.
Do you like driving?
It's not a dream job, but it feeds my family.
That matters.
It does.
Please drive carefully.
Always. Passport, please.
Here you are.
Where are you traveling today?
Spain?
Is this your first international trip?
Yes, sir.
Purpose of your visit?
I'm going there to study.
Which institution?
Valencia International Language Institute.
How long will you stay?
2 years.
Do you have your admission letter?
Yes.
He checks slowly.
Is everything okay?
Just a moment. Where will you stay in Spain?
In a student residence near the campus.
Who is paying for your expenses?
I have a scholarship and family support.
Have you traveled alone before?
No, this is my first time.
You look nervous.
I am, but also excited.
That's normal. New journeys feel like that.
Am I missing anything?
He stamps passport. No, everything is in order.
Really?
Yes, you're clear to travel.
Thank you so much.
Study well and stay safe.
I will. Thank you.
Excuse me. Yes, how may I help you?
I'm sorry, but I can't find my seat.
No problem. May I see your boarding pass?
Of course. Here it is.
You are seated at 18B. Is that far from here? Not at all. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here we are. This is your seat by the window.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Do you like window seats?
I've never had one before.
Then this will be special.
I'm a little scared, honestly.
That's completely normal on your first flight.
What if I feel uncomfortable during the flight?
Just press the call button. We're always here.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Would you like some water before takeoff?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Is this your first time traveling abroad?
Yes, I'm going to study.
That's wonderful. You must be proud.
I'm nervous, but happy.
Enjoy the journey. New beginnings are beautiful.
I will. Thank you for being so kind.
It's my pleasure. Have a great flight.